If we turn the page, we've got, I included case law. Now, I'm going to assume nobody in the room is a lawyer, but the reason I included the case law is because it shows the state of flux in New York State, how nothing is really decided. We have, in New York County, we have the New York County Surrogate designated the survivor of a marriage contracted in Canada as the surviving spouse. They said, okay, you were married in Canada, you get surviving spouse benefits. You get to inherit tax-free in New York State. You get standing to bring the will. But I had a case in Livingston County I was talking about earlier where the partner lost their marriage certificate. And the court wouldn't honor it until months later we got the actual certificate from Canada. You have this other case, matter of Zwirling from Queens County, where the decedent's brother brought a probate petition, and then the same-sex spouse was identified as the sole distributee. So we had a will, the brother brought the will, but the beneficiary was the partner. The decedent was also survived by his parents. The court found that the validity of same-sex marriages had not been definitively determined by the second department, which is where Queens County is, and found that the parents were necessary people to the proceeding. So normally, the parents wouldn't be necessary to this proceeding because you have a spouse. But they basically said, we're going to pretend the spouse isn't there, and we're going to say the parents have to be here. Now, New York State, or Monroe County actually has some of the leading cases. Martinez comes out of Monroe County. And we have, as I've said before, very forward-looking Medicaid and public benefits employees. And they've issued internal memorandums saying we're going to treat marriages where if they were validly performed exactly like a male and a female marriage. So in my will, assuming we're using a will, as I discussed before, I use my special language. Like, I intend to benefit this person. They're not my blood relative. So why am I disinheriting my blood, so to speak? Because this is who I love, and this is who I'm spending my life with. I mentioned that I like to have a comprehensive plan and a paper trail. I like reflective wills, two wills that generally say very similar things. So instead of having, say, me and my partner, I'm going to leave to my two brothers and my partner's going to leave to his two brothers. Well, no, I like to say we're going to leave to all four brothers equally in both wills. So we have to have that discussion. Why would we do this? Because it creates these reflective wills. It shows that we were together when we executed our wills. We thought about this, and this is the express intent there. And like I said, the healthcare proxy, power of attorney, and disposition of remains.